Teddy. I don't know why I did that, but it felt cool in my head. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my humble abode. And today, okay. Restart. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bridget if you're new here, and today you're propped up on my windowsill, and I figured we are in my humble abode, kind of, and today I figured to get into Halloween spirit is to go through my closet. I didn't buy anything, and find Halloween costumes because we're not going anywhere, but you know, we can still get in the spirit. But how can we roll it on a budget? Because I'm on a budget, you're on the budget, and I buy too much coffee. So, well, this one was free because I had so many points, but that should tell you how much coffee I buy. Anyway, I'm gonna stand back here because I keep chopping off my own head. I got Teddy here, right here. Hold on. She's worth seeing. I got her right here, my little girl. Oh, Shinkus. And she's gonna be here to help in all the fun. And yeah, so I figured to prove that it came from all my closet, you're gonna literally watch me pull it from my closet. And we're gonna come up with some ideas. I don't know how many. I know I have a couple things from years past Halloween and stuff in my closet. But yeah, peep the new T-Swizzle. Back at it again. Bacon Caramel Delights. Folklore. Let's go. Folklore. Oh my god. I do have a light cough. It's just my seasonal allergies. Because I don't know where you are, but it's been 70 to rain every other day. And my body doesn't like it very much. So let's get going before my mother returns and starts yelling random things. Love you, Mom. All right, Teddy. You ready? Yeah. I think I have some ideas. Let's get going. And I just cleaned my room just for you guys, and now it's messy again, but it's okay. We just got some basic jeans. I think this is a good start. We got this. We got these, which are super cute. This. We got this. See, pile in my order. We've got the oh, let go. Thank you. Okay. We got this. It's like a double bodysuit thing, kind of, not a bodysuit. It's a skirt and a dress. Oh my god, it's a skirt and a top. It's, I don't know, a 2-for-1, I guess. Yeah. I've got this dress. Super cute. We love a basic black dress. Okay. Don't stay on the bed. Thanks. I got my Hufflepuff sweatshirt. Some more just jeans. I figured I grabbed a lot of t-shirts. Oh, work with them. Okay. And then some socks, because you can't go wrong. Got this one for all my Avatar fans. And then my favorite. Yay. Okay. Yeah. Looking at that. I'm too tall. I apologize. I'm like, with these, I'm like 6'1". I know, I'm stupid complaining, but still, you know, it's kind of annoying when you can't fit in anything. But yeah, this is the outfit. This is my costume idea number 1. Okay. So my idea with this one is it could be Charlie's Angels. You know, super simple, super easy to go with. And then also Cher from Clueless, you know, that scene where she was like, he's like, are you gonna wear that? She was like, of course, Daddy, I have a jacket. Who makes this a dress? Calvin Klein. You know, that scene. Maybe I can find an insert there. So that's my idea with this one. Super easy. Speaking of Cher, I know the yellows don't necessarily match, but when you're balling on a budget, does it really matter? So this was an old Halloween costume that I did have from last year. So these are the shoes that I wore, the socks, cute little skirt, does have a fun little slit in the side. This jacket, I did have a different top, but I honestly couldn't find it, and I remember not liking it that much last year. So this one would work because it does have the straps. Super easy, super simple. I will insert a picture of me wearing it last year. I think it worked out really well, and this ended up blending up. As much as it doesn't look like it blended well, it did work for photos. So, you know, at the end of the day, it did what it needed to do. But this is super fun and super easy to do, and you honestly don't need the jacket. You could easily do just like a yellow sweater if you wanted to. But you know, it's what I had in my closet, and maybe it was cheating a little bit since I did use it last year. But this jacket was from Forever 21. This was the skirt, which I think they still have. It's from Pretty Little Things. They make them in a couple different colors. And then this top is from Shein. My socks are from Target, and my booties are from Nasty Gal, which I totally suggest their shoes. 100% worth. This is my costume idea one last time. But yeah, super fun, super cute, and you're comfortable. So my next choice, so this beautiful dress, I got this from Boohoo, and these boots, which are my Nasty Girl, as we went over, my bar shoes. But yeah, this is such a pretty dress. It's like a nice little light blue color, which is super fun. Cinderella, I think this would be super fun and super cute, especially if like you're a teacher and you need something a little bit longer. But this would be really fun and really pretty. It's really comfy, and I think it's really simple. Or, you know, if you wanted a white apron, you could do Belle. So I have one more idea for Cinderella. I can't find my black choker anywhere, but you know, go to your local Claire's and you can find one, or like a... Okay, so this is my second idea for the Cinderella one, which is just a cute little like fun little like blue shirt. This is from American Eagle, and then just some high-rise jeans or whatever, honestly whatever you want to do with jeans. So that way, like a little black choker, you know. So if you're not a dress person, you don't need to be. But yeah, so I thought this was super fun, super cute. But yeah, so I was thinking with this one, like a young Donna vibe, you know, that's what I was kind of getting from it. Curl your hair. I'm lazy right now, so I'm not gonna curl my hair. Plus, I don't want to. So yeah, you can curl your hair, cute little jean jacket if you want to. These pants, like a fun flowy pant. I think I got these at a boutique, and I really don't know the name of it, so maybe I can find them and link them, but yeah, just ignore my feet because I have no idea what shoes you would wear with this. I think it would have to depend on where you're from. Because like here in Massachusetts, it could snow on Halloween. Like there's a high possibility of that happening. So I'm not going to walk out with like flip-flops on for it just because it would work. I mean, I might. But I don't know if boots would necessarily work. I'd probably pair it with maybe some like Air Force Ones, to be honest. So here's another costume idea. It's just like a cute little Hufflepuff sweatshirt that I have. Generally in this cute little tennis skirt. So this is from Princess Polly. It's very recent from their website. I got this off AliExpress. I can link it down below. I saw it on TikTok, so it did take a month to get here, but it is so freaking soft. But yeah, this is the outfit. Boots, skirt, sweatshirt, wand. Yeah, and I'm thinking maybe like a cute headband of some sort, maybe. I don't know how, you know, however you want to, but I think this could work with anything. Like you could totally do jeans if you wanted to and wear this to school if you're a teacher, or class if you're a student. So I think this is a good everyday kind of purchase and easy to make, honestly. Like you could easily go to any store and get like a t-shirt if you wanted to make it. And this skirt would work with anything. So, but yeah, that's my costume idea for this one. I'll show you one more time. Okay, so I did want to show you what this would look like with just jeans on. Super simple, super cute, Air Force Ones. Yeah, I think this would just be really fun to wear. Super casual, so you can wear it anywhere, honestly. My jeans are American Eagle. They're the curvy high-rise, I think. High-rise jegging. Yeah, they're the high-rise jeggings. So they come up pretty high on me, so like obviously that's my belly button. So if you're looking for your tall, long torsoed, as I like to say. But yeah, so this Avatar: The Last Airbender lovers, I have this Appa Yip Yip shirt in this curl color. My friend actually made these and like sent them out, so it's super easy to make at home. I think she just got the t-shirts from like Walmart or something like that. She did make this with a Cricut, but I'm sure you could figure out creative ways to make it. But I think it's super fun and super cute for like a Halloween idea. But yeah, and just with jeans, some sneakers, the same sneakers that I had on earlier. So last but certainly not least, for my Annabeth Chase lovers, my Camp Half-Blood t-shirt. You know, and just a pair of jeans, because what else would Annabeth wear, honestly? So I just got this shirt off Amazon. I personally ordered it, but I feel like you could easily go to Walmart, buy an orange t-shirt and make it yourself, honestly. Like all you need is really Camp Half-Blood, and yeah. So, but yeah, I love this shirt. I've had it for a really long time. It's never been my Halloween costume. One day it will be though. One day. But yeah, it's super easy, super fun. And I just tied it here because it's a little bit of a long t-shirt and it's a little bit more my style. Curl your hair, put it up, get yourself a Yankees hat, but not if you're from Boston because that would just be gross. Get yourself a Red Sox hat because better choices. Anyway, that is all I have for costume ideas. Okay, I'm gonna bring you back around to the windowsill. Well, I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you come up with a little bit of ideas. And please be safe if you're going anywhere. And I did put my actual Halloween costume in this video. So comment down below which one you think it is. And make sure you follow me on Instagram to find out on Saturday. Woo! Big surprise. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you ended up using any of these ideas. And I'll see you next week in my next video. Bye. Let me see. Teddy wants to say goodbye. Say bye-byes. That was her bye-bye face.